So here is a solution how to fix your shaver head. As you see, it's pretty damaged on the edges, if you can spot it. So one would be to use this tape, or another to use a more special tape like the aluminum one kind. So we just cut a small piece from it. Okay, we have to kind of match the size of the blade, so it's pretty thin. I'll show you on the cam. So this is the damage area. You kind of have to use a special tool or a pencil or something. Have to trim the other side now. Have to figure out the exact size if you can. Then just push it back. Okay, this is not perfect, but I bet you can do it better. As you see, should glide perfect on your face, not scratching you. But this blade is also damaged in the middle, so we have this solution. Just buy another new one. It's not the original, so we'll see now how it works. Series 3. This is the new one, almost looking like the original. As you see, this doesn't go down as the original. You can't, or maybe you have to first install it to see. Okay, they say you should test it for 5 minutes or something. We're just going to start it. Let's see if it goes a bit. That it goes like see the difference of the color. So thanks for watching, and hope you can fix yours.